That my needle bowl of some. Hey, so many different girls, I got a load of them. Yeah, why you always say and go and get you some? Girl, why you always?
What's going on, everybody? I know it's been a minute, but not much been going on. Bike still no plates, so till then, kind of just waiting. DMV was supposed to actually open today, Monday, the 29th, and it got pushed back. Something with the like text system, I don't know. So hopefully next week, we'll see, and then I can start pumping out some more videos. I don't know what I'm gonna exactly do, but I'd like to keep making something, kind of just having fun with it. But the next little thing, I mean, a lot of you might not even care, but I own this brand, this Vital Ventures. Just kind of having fun with it. Bikes, surf, skate, hiking, mountains, I don't know, all that outdoor stuff. But for the intake, you can buy covers for these. And I was interested in getting my own custom one made. So Dean Speed Customs, the guy who makes this pipe, I messaged him and sent him the logo, and he made me the custom cover, so I'm actually really stoked on it. I mean, it's probably hard to tell with this lighting, but I guess he CNC this thing, you know, you put it on the machine, cuts it out. There's just the backing, and then it's got the screw hole on there, and should, you know, just go on right there. So, let me know what you think about this. I mean, I thought it was pretty cool. I didn't want to just get a regular Vance Nines cover. I didn't want to leave it. I kind of want to do my own thing. I'm trying to make this bike one of a kind, so I'm going to throw this on there and, I don't know, let me know what you think. Might be kind of unnecessary, but I'm going to add a little blue Loctite, and I hope that bolt that comes with it is long enough. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys have any like custom ideas or anything, but hit him up. He might be able to do it, because I'm pretty stoked on this. Dean Speed, just Google it. It's a little logo plug. But yeah, it's cool. It doesn't feel too flimsy or anything either. I just added a little Loctite to that thing, so you know it doesn't come loose. Blue Loctite, obviously, so you can remove it. But yeah, let me know what you think.
Why you always say